going on here is a lot. First of all, this whole section here, everything, this whole roof is reclaimed, recycled, or reused, okay? That's the theme. I put this up originally just to shelter a coffee smoking roaster, whatever, right here. So that's what this roof was, okay? I put it up, I had some materials, I bought some materials, I put it up. And I'm like, it just wasn't enough. Like the rain came right in and it was just, okay. So I proceeded to start buying loads of reclaimed material and building these other roofs. Okay, so now this roof over here, this beam here, that used to be sitting on top of the burnt shipping container. Okay, so that's out of there. Now, you might ask yourself, why didn't you just put the post out here on the corner? Well, I'm going to tell you. And that's because from this post to this post and this post needs to be an 8-foot opening so I can get my cistern in here, which is what this is going to be now. Is I'm going to completely wall this off and insulate this whole thing, pour a cement floor, and build the wall just on down. So that's what it's going to be used for. And then you might also ask, why is that big beam on its side like that? Well, it's because I wanted it to be level. And it wasn't going to fit under there and be on its end and be level. There wasn't enough room. So it looks a little hokey, but it's so solid. I wanted a contact with this roof, with this container, and then I wanted a post out here. So that takes up both those requirements. So now I'm connected to the container. I'm not connected. I'm just sitting on it. But then and this is all gold. This is perfect. So, and the cistern will fit in here. And I'm actually thinking about just putting the plumbing stuff here. Some of it. Maybe like the pump and the pressure tank, maybe too. I don't know. I might put that in there. I was going to put it in there. It would already be in there, but yeah, things happen. So yeah, it looks a little wonky and not ideal, and that's just because it's had its life changed. What its original purpose was is now different, and what its new purpose has a big stipulation. I need 8-foot opening. And now I've really got to go to concrete mode. I got to get this floor poured because outside here is going to be the sewage treatment plant is going to be almost all the way down to here. So if I put that in, then it'll be really hard to get this floor poured, right? So I need my basically curbs around the shipping containers next and this floor. So that's what I'm going to start doing next, right? So then I'll have a concrete truck in and I'll do all those curb-like structures that the outer walls will sit on, and this floor, right? And then at that point, I can dig the sewage treatment plant in and start to do the plumbing. I mean, that's pretty much what's next.
and there will no longer be pollution. Shining brighter than all the diamonds. There will be a different horizon. One day we will all come to Zion, strong as a lion. We can be silenced. No, there's a busy answer to all of this. Even in a hateful heart, it exists. Why can't we just look at the love now? It's been too long, yeah. We gotta reunite, yeah. Put a man with a gun. You gotta know what goes around comes back around. Asking for forgiveness is the new song. We'll never forget, but silence is loud, yeah. For the man that will rush, the one you want the best of it, that will be proud. Gotta be a higher ground, no discount. We only have to go with you, yeah. Tell her not to wake up now. They be sleeping on this way too long. Time for them to take a bow. Soon enough they sing a different song. Change will not be easy, it's a necessity. You don't see what we see, you know we're meant to be. So you gotta wake up now. You been sleeping for too long, you gotta wake up, wake up.
Bye.